Hello students, myself Deepa Batra. Welcome to my channel Easy Study. Today's topic is distributive property of rational numbers. So let's start. What does distributive property say? Distributive property says for all rational numbers A, B and C, A multiplied by B plus C within bracket. What does distributive property exactly say? Distributive property exactly says we'll have to distribute this whole term. Okay? It means there is no sign. It means here is multiplication sign. Agreed? So, we'll have to write A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here is addition sign. So, this is the distributivity, we can say, of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Got it? Come to the next. Let's take an example. Let A is equal to minus 1 upon 3. A should be the rational number. So, minus 1 upon 3 is a rational number. Okay? And take another rational number. B is equal to 2 upon 5. And C is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay? Now, let's check the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Firstly, we'll need to take left hand side. So, left hand side, which is A multiply B plus C within bracket, and just put the value of A, B and C in this minus 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Okay? Now, just simplify it. Minus 1 upon 3, firstly we'll solve the operation within bracket. Okay? So, 5, take the LCM of denominators, which is 5, and 2 plus 1, minus 1 upon 3, multiply 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 3 upon 15, or we can write minus 3 upon 15 as minus 1 upon 5. Okay? Now, come to the next. Now we have left hand side is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Now let's check the right hand side. Take right hand side, which is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Now just put the value of A, B and C here. Minus 1 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 3. A is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and c is equal to 1 upon 5. Now just simplify it. Minus 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 15 which is equal to minus 3 upon 15 and ultimately we get minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Here we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have verified that distributive property of multiplication over addition holds. Okay. In the same way, here is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction for rational numbers. For all rational numbers a, b and c, a multiplied b minus c is equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. Okay. Let's take an example. Let a is equal to 1 upon 2, which is a rational number. B is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and C is equal to 2 upon 5. Okay. Now just put the value of A, B and C in the left hand side. Firstly we will take left hand side to verify this property. Okay. Left hand side A multiplied by B minus C within bracket. Now just put the value of A, B and C here. 1 upon 2 here the value of B is minus 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 5. Okay. Now just simplify it. Firstly we will solve the operation within bracket as you all know. We will take the LCM of denominators, which will be 15. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, 5 the 15. Minus 2, 5, 3 the 15. Okay, just solve it. And we will get 1 upon 2 minus 5 minus 6 upon 15. Okay. 1 upon 2 minus 11 upon 15. Okay. Minus 11 upon 30. Here left hand side is equal to minus 11 upon 30. Now come to the next. Here left hand side is equal to minus 11 upon 30. Now right hand side, which is AB minus A multiplied by C. Okay. Just put the value of A, B and C here. 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Just simplify it. Minus 1 upon 6 and 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then we will get minus 1 upon 5. Okay, just solve it. Take the LCM of denominators, which is 30. Okay. And minus 1 multiply 6 5 the 30 minus 1 5 6 the 30 and we'll get minus 5 minus 6 upon 30 is equal to minus 11 upon 30, which is equal to left hand side. So we have verified the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction for rational numbers. Okay, students? So students, I hope you have understood the distributive property in a very well manner. If you find the quality in this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Easy Study, and don't forget to like, comment and share too. Bye bye, take care and wait for my next video.